videos amenya the kind of despair, hopelessness. Sabe e wo Ghana fo anim. Yenim baby a ye kwa. O say Ghana fo mped fo ma diabro.
Eba ana oda.
Yes, 4 years in here. Before anyway. Say your mo ye kwa, make me go fie. Meet me nko.
Enti where your shop ana? Okay.
Family house, me dey see your grandpa.
Aya sem. O mai say.
Ma wo wai.
Sa no way.
Sylvester.
Amen. Obibeka say, what is this? Yes. Look at even road so monam ateche the wayside. Na Ghana, yenya uninterrupted democratic rule from 1992. This is what I'm talking about. So bisa say, yeah, NDC ni MPP no, what have they done? What have they been able to achieve? And ne almost yen sound to almost nye day.
Upon this nation. What happened at Greater West was not just for ICGC. It was the turnaround of Ghana's destiny. Ghana's destiny was taken back, and Ghana's destiny is turning around, and nobody can stop it. No devil in hell can stop it. We have poked the devil's eye, and we have the victory in Christ Jesus.
Yo, be a friend, the moving train. When a train is moving, it does not stop for anybody. Train on the brake and the new force is like a train moving and moving at a very fast speed. Gathering force.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Baba Xposed GH, watch FM Bembros. Baby, I will be bidding check see about unsubscribing, so I subscribe it. Now the two pair and when you be a share. Send your mailbox when we are open for business, funerals, parties, whatever. We'll stream it live for you. Still on the Charter store now, NKB New Force, 272 districts now here kono. The tour is still on, and we'll bring you updates. Now, Oshe videos amenya the kind of despair, hopelessness. Sabe e wo Ghana fo anim. Yenim baby a ye kwa. O say Ghana fo mped fo ma diabro. Pacho yen kwa video ni mrawate.
Eba ana oda.
Yes, 4 years in here. Before anyway. Say your mo ye kwa, make me go fie. Meet me nko.
Enti where your shop ana? Okay.
Family house, me dey see your grandpa.
Aya sem. O mai say.
Ma wo wai.
Sa no way.
Sylvester.
Come in rented down from our house, I say, for now.
Yes, I did to Bonaka, and mammy automatically shade Nakamania. We can't a bit number.
We no minto anymore. This Ghana man who send it here. A man, a man journey Nipa almost who actually the same home. Tea Panamoana moto.
I page our 7 because the nurse for 8 years. I may yell over the guy, see ya for them some water. As you are 2 years old, we for Sophia, we never from an so that I can hear it before you did it.
For some in here, send a bit to me. Yeah, your family. Now you didn't feed your Juma Abaha. I'm not to me production. I'm met to me, I produce Monoma. Now I did a Juma Abba Chroma say. Now Mamma to me at Noma, I'm a Ghana, a fair moon. I will come because
Amen. Obibeka say, what is this? Yes. Look at even road so monam ateche the wayside. Na Ghana yenya uninterrupted democratic rule from 1992. This is what I'm talking about. So besides say, yeah, NDC ni MPP no, what have they done? What have they been able to achieve? And they almost yen san to almost nya day. Yeah, to almost nya day. Ghana, we need to what? Up the game. We need to be better. Baby, I wano, baby, I sabe, enye at the papa. Baby, I wano, enye fe, baby, I wano, and fata Ghana, say ye wo. Debi I me say, ya ho. Ah, yes, you, enye. That is where we are. Because we should be penning, Mammy or Cassia, or Tiwu me, or say, minya baby cried me to ya. She said, your Cassa, or say, or Cassa will say, only hope for the future. Na nkofo we anso na omobeba no masambe to ama MPP NDC in the name of party politics. What is wrong with us? Yadwe no eye adwuma na se nya adwuma. Maybe the make us yadwe na nya adwuma because what so ade ahwe over and over since 1992, 32 years. Are you not tired? Say these people, they are waiting around way back when this kana okwa na we aba me ba mechi omatum oba onchi obi atum na we aba enti Jimmy usa du ba bia untimi ka se Jimmy na ye me sisa mensa. Is that the way we are programmed to do? Me agbeni meto ma NDC me asante meto ma MPP Jimmy promise o me kan go fonti ase because oye du ba bia it's time to say enough. Until ye benya adwensakra Nia say enough. Nia politicians now will say enough is enough. No, they will continue fooling us. May continue fooling us because will say no matter what we do, the NDC man will remain NDC, the MPP man will remain MPP. The floating voters are small, but me the bro. Me papa Mensah Otabil. I say, well, who wind of change? Well, who adie be a sabe, unstoppable. Well, who say a brantie be a nyame asranengo. Well, who say force, new force be ba sabe. Who can stop ye ye? And yam na meka. Sofupo Mensah Otabil noka. Or Sunday or say, I have seen a force coming that is unstoppable. We cannot stop it. Yang kwenye video in brand ba mechochobo.
And when you poke somebody's eyes, you hit your hand. So what we are experiencing is the hand hitting. But the eye has been poked already. I said the eye has been poked already. The eye has been poked already. We transited. And something massive is coming out of it. Something massive. It cannot be stopped. It cannot be delayed. It cannot be denied. It's coming because God has decreed it. It's upon this nation. What happened at Greater Works was not just for ICGC. It was the turnaround of Ghana's destiny. Ghana's destiny was taken back, and Ghana's destiny is turning around, and nobody can stop it. No devil in hell can stop it. We have poked the devil's eye, and we have the victory in Christ Jesus. It is not Otabil's battle. It is bigger than me. We trust his promises. I believe that this nation from this year is leaping forward. The story of this nation will change. It will have ripple effect over the story of Africa. There will be great economic growth, great financial growth. It's going to be bigger. It's going to be better.
You see, Elia say, you'll be a friend the moving train. When a train is moving, it does not stop for anybody. Train on the brake and she energy and it's a car. The new force is like a train moving and moving at a very fast speed. Gathering force. Now me cry before say physical, but say spiritually, no. Dr. Mensah Otabil said a new force that is going to move the destiny of Ghana. I said this year, what to Abama new force, the destiny of Ghana is going to change. We have been standing one side, mark timing, market time. It's time to change the destiny of Ghana. And you see, we have our own destiny in our own hands. That's what I want to tell you. And you've been never by Chichi Krona Mao. And you won't have Chichi Krono. And now went to me to check Ghana. Na Ghana say ya. Won't never say Ghana. Because Sabi me know that me Ghana and you also Ghana ni. Eti Dr. Mensah Otabil say spiritual we know who you know there is a train moving. The train is moving at a speed and nobody can stop that train. But I can't know. Say ya ni a koko moti ebe team so. Na Sabe on the 7th. Yet me atu ama new force. What I say? Because spiritually, physically, it has been declared already. Eh? People think say we are joking. We are not joking. Okay, momentum and the new force is gathering now. Eh, who? Obia less than a year. What me gather momentum say? Ah, Obia baby abekobia chada. And you who? And then matter say NDC MPP omotosa. Because Oma who say force never no. This is listen, you can't stop this force. And your violence yadebo. Yaden adwen tina na kwa media ko say unsupported violence. The youth of today we are discerning. We know where to go. Until we youth arise and come with me. Let's vote for Nana Kwame Bediako, the new force. Unko vote to my MPP NDC, then you want the everyday business. The everyday business has not helped Ghana since 1992. It is time for Ghana to wake up. I Xposed GH, FM members. Also subscribe, mommy. Yeah, the two pet now can be Manuel.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.